Sick of cleaning your home every single day? Let smart tech handle it for you. Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. Meet the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus, a smart robot vacuum built for effortless, everyday cleaning. With powerful suction and intelligent navigation, it smoothly moves across your floors, picking up dust, dirt, and pet hair with precision. Designed to handle both carpets and hard floors, it delivers a reliable and efficient clean while you sit back and let automation do the work. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus robot vacuum. Auto empty dock with disposable dust bag pre-installed. Rise mop. Mop module. Moisture-proof mat. Power cable. Quick start guide. User manual. Technical specifications. Meet the Roborock Q10 S5 Plus, a smart robot vacuum designed for effortless daily cleaning. Featuring a round black design with dimensions of 13.9 by 13.9 by 3.9 inches, a dock size of 8.3 by 7.0 by 10.2 inches, and a weight of around 14.8 pounds for a compact yet sturdy build. It uses Precasense LiDAR with 360-degree scanning for precise mapping, supporting multi-floor mapping, accurate route planning, no-go zones, and custom cleaning modes. With 10,000 Pascal hyperforce suction and a dual anti-tangle brush system, it easily handles dirt and hair, while the 2.7-liter auto empty dock enables up to 7 weeks of hands-free cleaning. Its Rise 2.0 mopping system scrubs up to 3,000 times per minute, lifts up to 8 millimeters on carpets, and offers app-controlled settings for deeper cleaning. Powered by a 5,200 mAh battery, it delivers up to 150 minutes of runtime with automatic docking and recharge. It works smoothly on carpets, tiles, hardwood, and all floor types, with smart carpet detection that boosts suction when needed. You also get app control for scheduling, suction adjustment, and no-go zones, plus voice control via Amazon Alexa and Google Home on stable 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi. Operating at around 65 decibels, it remains relatively quiet, and it's built for long-term durability with a strong structure, anti-tangle system, and low-maintenance design for consistent performance. Product features. This robot combines powerful 10,000 Pascal hyperforce suction with advanced mopping in a single cycle, allowing it to deeply clean floors by lifting dust, debris, crumbs, and pet hair, while also scrubbing away fine dirt and stains. The strong suction ensures embedded particles are removed from carpets and hard floors, while the mopping system adds a fresh, polished finish, giving you complete floor care without switching devices. Powered by Precasense LiDAR technology, the robot scans your home in 360 degrees to create highly accurate maps. It intelligently plans cleaning paths for maximum coverage while avoiding repeated or missed spots. It also supports multi-floor mapping, allowing it to remember different levels of your home. You can set no-go zones, customize cleaning areas, and control everything through the app for a fully personalized cleaning experience. This safety feature ensures the robot cannot be accidentally started, paused, or redirected by children or pets. It locks the physical buttons or app controls depending on settings, giving you peace of mind that the device will only operate when you allow it. It's especially useful in busy households where accidental touches are common. After each cleaning session, the robot automatically returns to its dock, where all collected dust and debris are transferred into a large 2.7-liter sealed bag. This reduces the need for frequent manual emptying and keeps dust exposure to a minimum. With up to 7 days of debris storage capacity, it offers convenient, low-maintenance cleaning. ideal for daily use in busy homes. How to use. Before the first use, remove all packaging, protective films, and accessories from the robot. Install the dustbin and water tank properly, making sure they click into place. Check that the side brush, main brush, and mop are attached correctly. Place the robot on a flat surface to ensure stability and smooth operation. Place the auto empty dock against a wall on a flat, stable surface. Leave enough clearance around it, at least 50 centimeters on both sides and 1.5 meters in front, so the robot can easily dock and undock. Plug in the dock and ensure it is powered on. This dock will handle fast charging and auto dust emptying, keeping your robot ready for every cleaning session. Turn on the robot and start the initial scan so the robot can create a detailed 360-degree LiDAR map of your home. Walk through each area, ensuring doors are open and obstacles are minimal. Set up no-go zones, invisible walls, or restricted areas in the app, and create multi-floor maps if needed. This ensures precise navigation and prevents the robot from getting stuck. Once mapping is complete, select your preferred cleaning mode in the app or directly on the robot. Adjust suction power, water flow for mopping, or choose carpet-specific strategies. Press start, and the robot will begin cleaning automatically, navigating around furniture and obstacles while covering all areas efficiently. You can monitor progress, schedule future cleaning, or control the robot remotely from the app. App connection. Download and install the Roborock app from the App Store or Google Play on your smartphone. Open the app and sign in or create a new account to begin setup. Make sure your phone is connected to a 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, as the robot does not support 5 GHz. Press and hold the power button to turn on the robot. To enter pairing mode, press and hold the power and home buttons together until you hear a voice prompt or see the Wi-Fi indicator light blinking. This means the robot is ready to connect. In the app, tap Add Device and select your robot model, or simply scan the QR code located on the robot or packaging. Then follow the on-screen instructions, choose your Wi-Fi network, and enter the password to connect the robot. Wait for the connection to complete, which may take a few moments. Once paired, you can name your device, create a map of your home, set cleaning schedules, and customize no-go zones or specific rooms. You'll also be able to adjust cleaning settings and control the robot directly from your phone anytime. Maintenance. Turn the robot upside down and gently remove the side brush. Carefully take out any hair, dust, or threads wrapped around it using your fingers or a small cleaning tool. Make sure the bristles are free from blockage so it can properly sweep debris from corners and edges. If the brush looks bent, damaged, or worn out, replace it with a new one and reattach it firmly until it clicks into place. Open the main brush cover and remove the brush from its compartment. Use the included cleaning tool or scissors to cut away tangled hair, fibers, and debris that may be stuck around it. Wipe off any remaining dust for better performance. Once cleaned, reinstall it carefully, ensuring it is properly aligned and rotates smoothly without resistance for maximum suction efficiency. Rotate the main wheels manually and clean them thoroughly, using a dry cloth to remove dust, dirt, or buildup that may affect movement. After that, carefully remove the front omnidirectional wheel. Clean it by removing any trapped hair or debris. Wipe it properly and ensure it spins freely. Once done, place it back securely so the robot maintains smooth movement, stable balance, and accurate navigation across all floor types. Gently wipe all sensors, including cliff sensors and navigation sensors, using a soft, dry microfiber cloth. This helps maintain accurate mapping, obstacle detection, and smooth movement around furniture and walls. Avoid using water, liquids, or harsh cleaning materials, as they may damage the sensors or reduce their accuracy over time. Remove the dustbin when it becomes full. Empty it completely to prevent dust buildup and maintain strong suction power. Take out the filter and gently tap it to remove fine dust. If needed, rinse it with clean water, but always let it dry completely for at least 24 hours before reinstalling to avoid damage or airflow issues. Detach the mop cloth after every cleaning cycle and wash it using clean water or mild detergent. Make sure to remove all dirt and stains properly so it stays hygienic and effective for the next use. Allow it to air dry fully before attaching it back to the robot to prevent bad odors, bacteria buildup, or reduced mopping performance. Remove the dust bag from the dock compartment carefully and dispose of it properly without spilling debris. Next, clean the compartment's interior using a dry cloth to remove any dust buildup, and lightly clean the filter to maintain proper airflow and strong suction performance. After that, gently wipe the charging contacts on both the dock and robot to ensure stable charging and reliable connection. Once everything is clean and dry, insert a new dust bag securely into place, close the compartment, and power on the dock to resume normal operation. Safety tips. Avoid wet surfaces. Keep away from extreme temperatures. Clear obstacles from floors. Use approved power accessories. Maintenance safety. Avoid picking up hazardous items. Product comparison. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus features a premium round black design with a sturdy 13.9 by 13.9 by 3.9-inch robot body and a compact self-empty dock, built for durability and long-term heavy use. The Topo RV30 Max Plus also has a round design but is slightly more budget-focused, with a simpler plastic build and a compact dock designed mainly for basic self-emptying convenience. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus delivers powerful 10,000 Pascal hyperforce suction for deep carpet cleaning and effective pet hair removal. The Topo RV30 Max Plus offers around 5,200 or 5,300 Pascal suction, which is suitable for daily cleaning and hard floors, but less powerful for deep carpet debris compared to Roborock. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus uses PretziSense LiDAR with advanced 360-degree mapping, multi-floor memory, no-go zones, and smart carpet detection for precise and efficient cleaning. The Topo RV30 Max Plus also uses LiDAR-based navigation with app control and room mapping, but it offers more basic obstacle handling and fewer advanced smart cleaning adjustments. The Roborock Q10 S5 Plus comes with a 5,200 mAh battery, offering up to 150 minutes of runtime, and features a large self-empty dock with a 2.7-liter dust bag that can store debris for up to 7 weeks, making maintenance highly convenient and low effort. The Topo RV30 Max Plus also offers up to around 150 minutes of battery life with LiDAR efficiency, but it has a smaller dust storage capacity and requires more frequent dust bag changes, making it slightly less convenient for long-term hands-free cleaning. You've been watching Gadgeto Lab, where tech meets innovation and imagination never stops. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned. The future of gadgets is just getting started.